Hello, I'm Scotty.
Hey, I'm Melinda, and we are Simple Life Big Adventures.
We are on Chickamauga Lake, which is part of Tennessee River near Dayton, Tennessee.
Yes.
And we're going to do a little kayaking this morning.
Yeah, we're here early morning. We're going to go see some Sandhill Cranes today. I guess they take a break from real cold Canada and come on down here and visit Tennessee in the wintertime. And I think you'll be amazed because these things are 5 feet tall.
So directly behind us is the boat ramp. Let's go jump in those kayaks and see if we can find some birds.
Such a totally different experience off the fog.
Is that a pelican over there to our left? Do you see the white?
Yes, it is.
It turned its head and it looked like a pelican.
Pretty much every state that has a migratory pattern. There's about 6 main migratory patterns.
We just wrapped up our 3-hour kayak trip with Zach with Chattanooga Adventures.
Chattanooga Guided Adventures.
Chattanooga Guided
Yeah,
Adventures. He owns a small business here in Chattanooga. So if you're looking for an adventure in Chattanooga, seek him out. He does a lot more than just kayak.
Yeah, they've got several tours that they do. And the tour with a guide is very worth it, especially Zach. He's very knowledgeable in all the birds. He knew all the birds that we saw today. And I'm sure he is probably just as knowledgeable on every tour that he does.
So today we did see Sandhill Cranes, right?
Yeah, they migrate into Tennessee.
Blue herrings, but my favorite was the bald eagle. I think we saw about 4 or 5 bald eagles, but three of them were juveniles. So, but it's still very exciting, especially when you see them flying overhead.
But this morning started out foggy. Zach was a champ. He was ready to get out there. He loves an adventure. So look up Chattanooga Guided Adventures if you're in the area and go see what they have.